So guys, I'm back. Now today we are going to see how we can add banners and use our ad credits to advertise another business on City Passive. So these are the ad credits, website ad credits. You can use these credits to advertise your other business on this site. So what we do, you go to advertisement, you go to banner ads. It will open this page. Now this one shows the banners I've so far put there. I've so far put there too as a test. So now as you can see, they are running. I allocated 50 ad credits to each and they are running. So what you do, you go to add new. It will open this page. These are the available ad credits. I can put all of them. 1850. No, this one has to come here. This is the title. Let me call it Make Money. Here you put your banner URL. So I go to this site and I pick the banner URL. It is here. Come back to City Passive. I paste it there. Destination URL. Here you put your referral link. You go back. This is my referral link in this site. Copy it and paste it here. Now this is the banner size. There is 468 times 60. It is what I've chosen here, as you can see. There are also other sizes you can choose. There is this and this according to which banner you want to use. So I enter the captcha Z22 and I submit. Brings this small window here. Now it is telling me that please enter valid data in the following field. Destination field URL is not valid. I don't know what's wrong here. Let me first go back and see. Okay. Let me copy it again and bring it back. And submit again. I think it is okay now. It is okay. Added successfully, inspecting frame breaker. So I think it is okay now. So if I go back, my ad should be there. It is here. It is running. So this is how we add banners on the side and we use our ad credits to advertise other businesses on City Passive. So in case you have any question, you can put a question in the comment section. Otherwise, I'll be coming back in another video. Thanks guys.